the first half of Sauna. I think it's pretty close to how they actually play it. So it's going from C minor, F minor, A flat, E flat. So Woody's introduction phrase, individual notes are going like this. I'll play that again, even slower. It's a little tricky to get down, but eventually played enough times, it's just kind of muscle memory. The next part is basically just bum, 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 bum. So the chords that I'm playing, or the way that I position the chords is G, C, E flat, G. For the F minor, I'm just changing the G to an A flat from the previous chord. To go to the A flat chord, I jump down to this. And then the E flat. So I add this D at the top that I'm pretty sure that Woody's playing as well. At this point, you're walking down to this C in the bass, and in the right hand you're playing for that kind of passing chord. Repeat it. At this point, instead of walking down to the C, you're walking up to the F. In the right hand, just playing, kind of just following, walking up with my thumb, so E flat, E, F. At this point of the song, I don't think Woody's actually playing anything. I think it's just mostly Joe playing bass and Corey playing kind of this trill up here. But to add fill, if you're just playing by yourself on the piano, the bass would go like this. And then my approximation of what Corey is playing is, again, only thing changing between these two chords is changing the A flat to a G, so together that would sound like. At this point, the second time through like this little phrase is when Woody comes back in with this chord, leading into this F minor. So again, that is E flat, A flat. You repeat the A flat chord in your right hand and move the bass up to B flat. Next, you're going to continue walking up to a B, and in the right, the only thing you're changing is the C to a B, so, and then from here, pretty much the same chord in your right hand, just changing to an F, so in the left hand, you're going up to the C sharp or D flat. Bass continues onto E flat, and at the same time your right hand's going to go back to this E flat, and then so really your right hand's just kind of rocking back and forth between the E flat and the F, while the bass goes. So together that's so to put it all together from when Woody comes back in, it's so it repeats to the intro piano phrase. So basically you play all that through again, and when you're getting to this part where it jumps to something like, or actually I think it's more of a rocking. I haven't gone through that part of the song in detail yet, so once I figure that portion out, as well as when it changes up to something like that and the song goes like I said, I just have a very basic outline of that in my head, but once I figure it out in more detail, I will post how to play that second half of the song.